Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today I'm going to discuss one of the most requested topic, how to use I in Malayalam. So I usually get the questions like there are different words for I, when to use what and how do we know which one to use. I always get that question. So in today's video we are going to discuss that and find out how to use that. So first of all, to denote the word I, we have two words in Malayalam. It is Nyan and Enikku. Nyan and Enikku. Now what we need to understand is that when to use what, right? So let us go and check out when to use Nyan. See the first example. I am going for a walk. I am going for a walk. Nyan nadakkan പോകുന്നു. Nyan nadakkan പോകുന്നു. Here it is an action. Something I am doing, I'm going to do. I'm going for a walk. ഞാൻ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു. So that's an action. I am Sachin. I am Sachin. It means someone is saying their name or someone is saying who they are. ഞാൻ Sachin ആണ്. I am Sachin. ഞാൻ Sachin ആണ്. That's a fact. And also we can consider it as a state of being. Right? The third one is I won. I won. ഞാൻ ജയിച്ചു. ഞാൻ ജയിച്ചു. That's also an action. ഞാൻ ജയിച്ചു. It's also we can consider it as a result of an action. ഞാൻ ജയിച്ചു. Okay. I didn't see. I didn't see. ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല. I will never forgive. I will never forgive is ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും ക്ഷമിക്കില്ല. ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കലും ക്ഷമിക്കില്ല. I will not talk to him. I will not talk to him. ഞാൻ അവനോട് മിണ്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ അവനോട് മിണ്ടില്ല. In all these sentences, what we can see is it's either the actions done by the subject I or it is the state of being, like what you are now or what your name is, the facts, the actions you did. Nyan is the nominative case. Please refer to the case suffixes video. I have mentioned that in an earlier video, and in this one also I am referring you to that particular video because that will help you in understanding the different case suffixes. So Nyan is the nominative case. It is very important that in these sentences we use Nyan. These sentences will not make any sense without the word Nyan. So let us see the situations when we use the word Enikku for I. So in the first example here, it is I don't want it. I don't want it. Enikku adu venda. Enikku adu venda. I want. Second example is I want. Enikku venam. Enikku venam. I don't know. I don't know is Enikku ariyilla. Enikku ariyilla. Next is Enikku sammanam kitti. Enikku sammanam kitti. I got the prize. Enikku sammanam kitti. I know Malayalam. I know Malayalam. Enikku Malayalam ariyam. Enikku Malayalam ariyam. I will not be able to come. Enikku varan pattilla. Enikku varan pattilla. So when going through these examples, what we can understand is that whenever you want to express what you feel about something, what you possess, what you want, if you want to describe that you possess something, if you wish having something, if you want something, if you know something, in all those situations you use Enikku. Enikku. And if you put Nyan in the sentences in the place of I, it will not make any sense. Like in Enikku sammanam kitti. There if you put Nyan instead of Enikku, it will be like Nyan Samanam Kitti, which doesn't make any sense. So these are things like you possess, you want, you feel. So there is a difference between that. In the first type of sentences where we used Nyan, it is like the subject is very important in those sentences and the verb the subject is doing. Both these things are most important there. Here, the object has a bigger role. So those are some main differences and these are the situations when we use it. So obviously the questions will come. You are going to ask me questions like, Chechi, when to use me, mine, what are the words for that? You're going to ask that. But we will go slower through this part because it is very confusing. So we will learn it slowly. So small lessons, but we'll learn it thoroughly. That is what we are going to do. Okay, so hope you understood this. You're gonna ask me any doubts or questions you want. Please use the comment section for that. And if you like this video, please hit on that like button and do share. And please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskaram.